Hello friends, this is Ivan Alan Mabonga, one of the students of JEX Barista Institute. Tonight, it has been good news, this has been the day that I've been longing for ever since I joined JEX Barista Institute. It was a mild story. To be honest, I was a person who came from a humble background, who never knew what will come, what will the future be. What will the future determine? But ever since I got a friend of mine and he introduced me to JEX Barista Institute, see, this is the one that I got tonight. It has been a dream job, a dream career, a dream course to me because I was longing for being a barista, not just a barista, but a specialty, a head barista. So tonight I'm so excited, and whatever they told me, it is when today that I've come to witness and to prove that it's real. Because this certificate of mine, I thought maybe it won't be the way they explained to me. But as you can see, it has got a log of which I scanned. It has got a scanner that I scanned, and it showed me that it's proven with the government of the UAE. Proven by the Ministry of Education. So please, I encourage you to come and enroll. The thing is real, and we've seen wonders. Ever since I joined, people have been calling me for jobs, and right now, as I can tell you right now, I'm going to be working as a barista, and I've got a different mindset. Ever since I enrolled here, I've gotten a lot of friends from different destinations, friends from India, friends from Nepal. I was not able to communicate into crowds, but right now I tell you, I'm able to communicate with people. I'm able to face bosses, to reason with people. All this is for the love of JEX. They have experienced teacher. They have, their field is very, very good. They have a good environment. Come and enroll with us at JEX Barista Institute. I'm hoping to see you soon. Please come, enroll. They have everything. Accommodation is provided here. We've got good teachers. They give you good customer care. Not only customer caring, but they really ensure that everyone has to, understand what they are teaching. They take you through everything, no matter how many times you fail. But finally, you have to become a winner, as I am. I've been a stubborn student, but still they were able to handle me, and this is who am I. Bye-bye, and salute to my teachers, Mr. Solomon and Mr. Alex, not forgetting our managing director, that is none other than Madam. When I speak of this name, I feel, it is joy to me. That is Madam Dubai, big sister. Thank you very much for your encouragement. Thanks to my colleagues, to my fellow OBs and OGs. Bye-bye, salute. I remain as the Guild President, JEX Barista Institute, 2024. Shalom.